Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to stop other people from downloading your TikTok videos. Let's get started. It's actually really easy to prevent others from downloading your TikTok videos. You can do it right from the app by changing one simple setting. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and tap on Profile at the bottom to go to your account page. Once you're there, tap on the menu icon. That's the 3 lines at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, choose Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap on Privacy. Inside the Privacy section, look for the option that says Downloads. Here you'll see a setting called Video Downloads. If you turn this option off, other users won't be able to download your TikTok videos anymore. And if you ever change your mind, you can simply come back and turn it on again. And that's it. Now you know how to stop people from downloading your TikTok videos.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.